Good morning, everyone. I want to share my insights about the visual lecture that has been presented a while ago. So, every children has been created differently through the structure of their genes, which is significant to create one more proteins that are created under the particular conditions to regulate other genes. So, this is so important because the proteins that are produced by genes are what create life-sustaining reactions that, in conjunction with adequate nutrition and ideal environment, will culminate in the characteristics of growing child. There are three main structures in brain, the first is being hindbrain, which control the uh, basic psychological processes in order in order for an individual to sustain survival, involving the breathing, balance, and the movement. The second one is the midbrain, which connects the three structures of the brain and send messages to the brain about the priorities. Lastly is the forebrain, which is the most complex through the emotional responses, uh, motivation, or also driving force of motivation, which we all know university students need. During the development, there are also changes in the brain from prenatal development to infancy and early childhood development and so on. I can relate to these different stages of development, as I remember not being able to properly catch a ball, uh, or even to use a baseball bat. During the early years of primary school, with almost everyone being able to, as I was being able to do what I can't do, as I was a slow learner, both walking and talking, later than the average children. So that is for my ideas about the topic, and this topic give us the information about the processes of development before we got into what we are now. Thank you, everyone. That's all.